Smartwatches have come a long way since their initial launch, and with more and more tech brands focusing on styling and quality that matches traditional watches, this is the approach that Huawei have done with their brand new Huawei Watch GT2 Pro Moonphase collection. And in this review, I'm going to give you a closer look. Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is built on the success of the GT series, but this time around there's a focus on giving it a more premium look and feel. So the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro has a titanium case. It's finished off in a brushed look, which I think looks really good and premium. And you'll also notice that this particular color is more of a gray, even though it's listed as a night black. I actually like the gray because I think it complements the black fluoroelastomer strap really well. And you'll notice that the case is also integrated so that you have a seamless connection between the case and the strap itself, and this slight curvature to the lugs to give it a comfortable feel. So I have 7-inch wrists, and you can see that on my wrist it actually fits quite comfortably. You've also got two pusher buttons, one at the 2 o'clock and another at the 4 o'clock position, and you'll also notice that bezel as well. Now on the top you have a sapphire glass. It's a 1.39 inch 454 by 454 OLED display, and it's a really nice display. It's got lots of punchiness and vibrancy to that display. It is of course touch enabled, so it means that swiping through various options is really easy and fluid. At the bottom of the watch, you have a ceramic base, and that also hides in it the multiple sensors for a range of different readings. More on that later on in the video. But overall, I think Huawei have done a good job with the build quality. It certainly looks and feels like a premium smartwatch. This particular model is called the Moonphase collection, and Huawei have basically taken inspiration from traditional premium watch brands that use a moonphase complication. Complication is just watch talk for feature, and in the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, it's intended to connect users to nature, the outdoors. So lifting your wrist with this unique night wish watch face will give you the graphical representation of the sun, the moon, and the universe. Now the watch face can display the time of the sunrise, the sunset every day, and it will also show you the 8 moon phases, such as the new moon, the full moon, first quarter, and so on. It's actually very well thought out and very nice. But there are other watch faces that you can choose from. Some of those are available on the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro itself, but others you can purchase through the smartphone. Now I also like the integration of Huawei Hop, and this is the ability to allow you to take a picture and then simply with one tap add that image as your watch face. It fits in with Huawei's seamless AI life that integrates multiple devices, and it also has always on display with a few different watch faces that you can choose and customize. Although for me personally, I would have liked to see the always on display work with the existing watch face. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is powered by Light OS. It does have a range of really good onboard features, and combined with the Kirin A1 chip, it does offer incredible battery efficiency. So you're getting up to 14 days with always on display turned off, and less than that with always on display turned on. Now talking of battery, the watch comes with a wireless charging base that you can connect via a USB-C cable, but it also works with Qi enabled chargers, and this really cool feature, which is reverse wireless charging, which will work with another smartphone or device that has reverse wireless charging. It's a very practical and actually cool feature. Functionality has been a strong point of the Huawei Watch GT series, and with the GT2 Pro you get up to 100 plus workouts, some that can be customized. You simply scroll through and start one of the activities, and once you're finished you'll get your report. Now it is worth noting that thanks to the 50 meters of water resistant and also dust proofing, the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro can also support swimming in both a pool and open water. And if you exercise outdoors, there's a really cool feature that's an offline navigation aid, which basically helps you find your way home if you get lost. There's also a feature for those of you that are fans of golf and play golf. It analyzes your swing posture, and there's also data for improving your swing speed and frequency. Now for the health functionality, the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro has a number of different sensors, including an updated LED sensor to help keep you up to date when it comes to your health. You get a 24-hour heart rate detecting with TrueScene 4.0. You're able to also track your blood oxygen levels with the SpO2 monitor. It's really easy to run that through in the app and it will give you a result at the end. And this is particularly useful for those that need to keep an eye on this. There's also a True Sleep 2.0, which helps monitor the sleep, and True Relax for your stress levels. Now, all of the reports can actually be found in the Huawei Health app. I found the sleep tracking particularly detailed and useful with, clear explanation of the results that it gives. And I found that I need to get much better quality sleep in. Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is also able to connect with your smartphone. It does this via Bluetooth, and that gives you the ability now to take calls directly from your GT2 Pro using the watch essentially as a Bluetooth receiver. You're also able to get an update of notifications that you get coming in. Now, this is actually an important update because the watch can be used both with Android and iOS, and now you get identical notifications. When it comes to music, you can also connect the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro with the Huawei Music capabilities. So this means that you're able to listen to music on go. You're able to also load music directly onto the watch. You get up to 4 gigabytes worth of storage space, so you're able to utilize that with music tracks. I think Huawei have done a good job with the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro Moonphase collection. It certainly is a smartwatch that has an emphasis not only on the build quality, but on the look and feel of this watch. It looks more like a traditional watch than your box standard smartwatch. And it still has a strong feature set with tons of functionality incorporated in it. I still think you get a strong contender in the smartwatch with this particular product. Now, as far as people with smaller wrists, there are other smartwatch within the GT series that you can look at, but if you want to pick this one up, the pre-orders are going to begin here in the UAE from the 12th of November, and it will include a free gift, a Nebula Grey Classic Edition strap that you can pair up with your Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. The prices on those will start at 999 dirhams, and for further information you can find in the link down below. Let me know your thoughts on the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro Moonphase collection, and if you're new around here, be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit like, and do stay tuned for my next video landing soon. Peace and blessings.